ChargeOn, integrate Stripe with Salesforce. In this video, I will outline exactly what ChargeOn is, and why it may be perfect for your current or next online business venture. In this video, I will step you through the ChargeOn Stripe Checkout process. This will give the site admins a good idea of what process their customers will need to undertake, if they choose to use Stripe to sell goods and services online. ChargeOn offers a basic way to collect money from customers, either one-off payments or subscription payments. Today we will be looking at one of the payment checkouts. Once I click on the payment button, a pop-up will appear asking for card details, etc. This pop-up is all hosted by Stripe, meaning that your customers' details are extremely secure and actually out of the hands of any website administrators. Once payment is completed, the customer is sent back to the detail page of their record. So, I will go ahead now and complete the transaction. I will be conducting a test transaction to show you the process involved. The same process applies for a real transaction. The only difference is the money would actually be debited from your customer's credit card, and paid to you. Just add products in your cart list, then view the remaining amount to be paid in the details section. Then click on the payment button and fill out the details. Click on submit and boom, your payments are made by just simple clicks on a few buttons. ChargeOn allows you to keep on accepting payments on your site, while there are many more features of Stripe that are coming in the upcoming updates of ChargeOn. ChargeOn takes great care of your card details with the tightest security practices and 24/7 technical support. Keep your payments secure with ChargeOn. Thank you for watching. Cyntexa, we provide value to you.